What if you could take any YouTube video, the animations, the B-roll, the screen recordings, the exact structure that made it work, and rebuild it as your own video with your face and your voice? No editors, no timeline, no manual work. Just a link. Let me show you. It starts with a single URL. You paste in any YouTube video, and Infinex AI instantly pulls it in and downloads the source. Now the real magic. Infinex doesn't just watch the video, it takes it apart. It reads the script, decodes the hook in those critical first seconds, and maps every single element. Where the animations live, where the on-screen text and titles appear, where the B-roll and footage cut in, and what's being said in every moment. Seconds later, it hands you the full blueprint, a complete timeline of the video. Exactly when the narrator speaks, when an animation plays, when footage rolls, when a screen recording appears, and precisely what you see and hear in each one. And while you're looking at this, Infinex is already writing your brand new narration script. Every segment is yours to shape. Rewrite the B-roll descriptions in your own words. Fine-tune the animation descriptions. Edit the script Infinex wrote for you. And for any animation, open the advanced prompt builder. Full, precise control to customize it exactly the way you want. Got your own screen recordings? Drop them straight in from your computer. Once the script's ready, you've got two paths. Approve it and move straight to choosing your avatar, or dive into the segments and refine. Let's peek inside the editor. Everything's adjustable, but the AI's analysis is already this good, so I'll keep the defaults and hit approve. It even flags that I haven't uploaded my screen recordings yet, but for this demo, I'll skip that and head to avatar selection. Filter by orientation, vertical or landscape. I'll go 16:9 widescreen. Want yourself in the video? One click on Create Custom Avatar, and it's your face, your voice. I'll pick an avatar and hit render. Right now, it's rendering the avatar on its own. And there it is. Look at that. The realism, the detail in the character, and the accuracy of the lip sync. When you're happy with it, just hit continue. Now we define the look and the brand. Set your ratio, 16:9 again. Pick the color palette for your animations and visuals. Choose your animation style. Select your caption style. Dial in the B-roll style. Set your transition effects. Frame your screen recordings, size the narrator bubble, and drop in background music straight from your computer with the exact volume you want. Then, save and continue. Here's the summary. Every single asset Infinex is about to generate for your video, all in one place. Approve it and hit Start Generation. And look at this. Look at the animations, the narrator, the quality of the B-roll and the footage. Every piece built, edited, and assembled end to end, automatically. And the file you download comes out even sharper than this. This is Infinex AI Video Clone. Any video you love, rebuilt as your own in minutes with zero editing. Stop paying editors. Stop burning hours on a timeline. Turn one link into a finished, on-brand video today. Click below and start cloning with Infinex AI.